Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel of investment and income. Today's topic will be based on the inquiries which I have received about a particular stock. I will like to make it clear that this is an educative, informative attempt. So I'll tell you the basics how to select a stock based on its price movement. The request I have received is for Sun Pharmaceuticals. As you know, when the prices were coming down in the month of March, one sector that stood up was the pharma sector. It fell the least, and whatever stock fell rose back the fastest. That is one way of looking at a sector. Now, in Sun Pharmaceutical, there has been a long correction from the year 2015 to 2020 of the recent fall, March, April. The shares have been coming down. Now, what do we see as on date that makes us think whether it's time to buy or not? We will go into the details right now. Now, today's many query is for one particular company called Sun Pharmaceutical. Now, if we just look at the basics of Sun Pharmaceutical, now as you can see here, Sun Pharmaceutical has taken a big correction. Now, from a top of say 1,200 rupees to a bottom of about 310 rupees. This has been a long journey. What I am showing you is a monthly graph. Now, from the period of 2015, April 2015 till the period of March 20. So it is about a 5-year journey. The stock has been correcting itself. Now the journey at 310 was a major bottom is nearly confirmed. Now how do you confirm that? There are various parameters to confirm. As you see more videos, I will be covering a lot of topics. How to judge whether a script has made a bottom or the script is likely to do a correction. All those points will be covered in the subsequent videos. But right now I'll draw your attention to one fact here. You see this is the month recent. In the month of March, it made a bottom of 310. From there, it is continuously going up. This script I will show you here also went up in this part, that was May 2018. But after a rise of just 2-3 months, it once again started falling. So it did not show further strength than a 2 or 3 month rise. Now from this portion, the script is showing more bullishness. It has surpassed its falls and started to rise. And if you see the monthly oscillator, in this case I have selected the RSI, and as I have explained in my previous video and in the introduction videos, this is the bottom that is showing also a promise. From this point, even the monthly RSI has started to show higher bottoms. Now this part of this month shows its rise is going to be continuous. Now whenever such a situation happens, the script always tries to touch, as you can see here, a previous top which it has made, and in this case it is about 670 rupees. So from a journey of 310 bottom 310 rupees till the resistance level of 670 rupees, it shows that the journey will be completed, and right now it is showing a lot of bullishness. Today's current price of say 590 to 600 rupees, still there is a scope of rise of about 80 rupees. Once it reaches there, we will see how the script behaves, how the stock behaves, and then one can always take a judgment what is to be done. Re-enter, sell if you have bought it lower. If it is a long time investment, is this the best chance to skip? Will it fall further? All those things we will come to know once it reaches this level of 680. Thank you.